Welcome to the second video about the My2N single villa setup. Now that our calling configuration is done, let's look at how My2N gives you full control over your home's security and access management from anywhere. You can assign RFID cards to users, generate PIN codes for tenants or visitors, and set up mobile access for seamless entry with your phone. Let's add these access types to a user. Go to Site Users, select Access, and click Generate New PIN. The unique PIN is generated, saved, and automatically sent to the user's email. Next, let's assign an RFID key fob, which is a convenient method for regular users. The RFID key fob is now assigned. To enable My2N app access, we need to link it to the site. Click Change Configuration and set it to Managed via My2N. For a new installation, select No, then Next, and finally Configure. Now we can enable My2N app access for the mobile device. Don't forget to set up your access groups. Remember, users won't have access until you explicitly grant it. Simply go to the Access Settings section and add your devices, users, and apartments to the group to ensure everything works seamlessly. To control multiple entries from the app, go to Intercom Settings, then Devices, Intercom, Switch Codes. Here we need to toggle the switches to Managed by My2N. Now these switches appear directly in your smartphone app for remote opening. If you want to open doors without calling or sending DTMF codes, you can do so by enabling the setting Allow Remote Door Opening via Cloud from the My2N app. Whether you're in the garden or at the office, you can open the gate remotely for a delivery or check an additional external camera with a single tap. Now let's configure 3 quick buttons on the indoor view unit for the main gate, sliding gate, and front door. First, go to the Intercom HTTP API settings to enable the service and the account for sending HTTP API commands. Make sure to remember the username, password, and Intercom IP address. Next, go to the Indoor View Remote Configuration settings. Select Open Configuration, Integration, HTTP command buttons, and click Add button. Name the button, then enter the URL command with the right parameters, such as the switch number and action. You can learn more about HTTP API services in our manual linked below the video. Select the icon, enter the authentication username and password, then click Add and Save. Repeat this for all locks. And that's it. We have programmed 3 quick buttons on the indoor view screen. Let's check it out. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please contact My2N Technical Support.